It's currently here in the city, but we'll continue to see these numbers rise as we head throughout our afternoon. Temperatures climbing to about 51 for our afternoon high today. Average is 54, so we will be slightly below that, but hey, we will take it as a step outside. It's definitely better than what we had yesterday with those highs only in the 40s. Let's talk about this. Lots of sunshine today. Our first of two fronts still well off to the west. This is going to bring us a chance for more widespread rain later on tonight. I'll break down that exact timeline and the latest updates to the winter potential this weekend coming up in just a few minutes.
Okay, Nick.
It's moving in this weekend. The first one bringing us rain, and then behind it tracking the potential for some winter weather. The biggest shift in the latest model trends. I'll show you that coming up in just a few minutes. Here locally, we started this morning than yesterday to the tune of about even 5 to 10 degrees in a lot of spots. We were in the teens and 20s. But for today, temperatures will begin to moderate. Still going to be below average as we head through our afternoon. Multiple cold bursts on the way throughout the weekend. Our first one comes with our cold front tonight. That's mainly going to bring rain showers back to the forecast. And then another storm system approaching on Sunday. I have to show you the latest track with this because the track, lots of sunshine. The sunshine and less wind definitely helping us out for today. Something we will take. For your afternoon hours, temperatures climbing to the low 50s for us, and then heading into the next few days, some active weather moving in. The first one comes with this cold front here. That's going to be arriving late tonight, so it's an overnight rain for us. A little bit of a wintry mix up in the mountains. Not expecting much in terms of accumulation, and all out of here by tomorrow morning. Now, biggest change for the weekend. We're still watching that burst of cold air that's going to be arriving. It's the extent of this Gulf moisture, and that's really determined by the track of the low pressure. Well, it's taking a southerly track for us. So what does that mean? Well, we're going to be on the dry side of this. That snow is actually going to be contained to, if you can believe this, northern Florida and far southern Georgia. So we could potentially see this shift a little bit further to the north, but overall not looking likely for us. It's mainly a dry and cold forecast as we head throughout the rest of your week. They're out there this weekend. Now, will the cold air time up with the moisture in order for us to see the possibility of snow? I'll show you the latest trend with that coming up. Typically, when we have these events, it's our northern counties that receive the snow. It's just looking less and less likely with this event. Out there today, no worries of that. We have a sun-filled afternoon as you're looking over Athens and Atlanta. Temperatures in the 40s for the most part this afternoon, currently in the mid 40s here in town. They will climb into the low 50s for today. Our next front, that's not going to bring us the snow. That's going to bring us the rain overnight. A chance to see a little bit of a wintry mix in our highest elevations tonight, really into early tomorrow morning. And then by 8 o'clock tomorrow, most of the rain begins to wrap up. Still a few lingering showers on the southeast side of town. But by the afternoon, we are back to the sunshine. Tracking these cold bursts, and another burst of Arctic air is moving in on Sunday. The cold air will be there. The moisture, though, is going to be very limited for us. We'll talk more about this and what this means for your Sunday forecast coming up in just a few minutes.
Thank you very much, Ash.
Temperatures were in the teens and the 20s. Turning things around quite nicely, though, this afternoon. There's a live look over our Blue Ridge camera here over Lake Blue Ridge, and what a beautiful shot this is. We have a lot of sunshine, nothing to show you here locally on Storm Tracker 2 HD radar. Temperatures have warmed up into the 40s. Our next front here, that's what's going to be coming in tonight, bringing us a chance for some overnight rain and the potential for a little bit of a wintry mix up in the mountains. We've been talking about this next system that comes in on Sunday. I want to show you the latest snow totals with this. Well down to the south, over in south and central Georgia is where we are expecting the potential for accumulating snow, just not looking likely for us here across North Georgia. In the meantime, it will be cold.